What is this? What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl DonneshaRashawna, and I'm back with another video, guys. So as you can see by the title, today I'm about to bring y'all along to clean my messy, dirty ass kitchen, y'all. It needs to be done. It's about time it gets done. No more putting it off, okay? And you'll be surprised what I find in here, bro. Like, let's get it.
I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Y'all, don't judge me, okay? It just got to go. What is this? Let's see. That's nasty. Anyway, back to the cleaning.
Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone.
Alright guys, this is it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure you comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one.